Yes, man.
At first, you might think this is a baby bird inside of a tree trunk that is rotting, you know, a dead tree where they're out in the bushes. Just like a baby bird there. But when the camera shifts, when the camera changes angle, you find out mama bird or maybe papa bird. But that look like a mama bird. Mama bird usually stay near them picnic. Papa bird, them not too unreliable sometimes. But mama bird is there, fully camouflaged. First of all, sir, why are you touching bird for? Why are you touching the bird? Any animal will have the ability to defy the laws of light and how they interact with your eye. How them bounce off a retina. See? Any animal will have the ability to defy the laws of light and camouflage themselves. Leave them alone. They go through great lengths not to be seen. Allow them to remain unseen. Brother, they know why you see them. Much less even if you got touched. This bird looks 100% antisocial. No, it look like it. I tell him, stop! 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 This bird is displaying mannerisms where say people and crowd is not its thing. And if that was me, and that which I thought was a piece of rotten tree move when me try to touch it, my heart would have evacuated my chest swiftly. And who knows, you know, this bird might be friendly, you know, but it looks terrifying. And look on the pose where the bird are do. It look like when somebody is disgusted with you and them turn them chin up at you like, Bird a give the vibe like say we are commoners and it does not mix with commoners. Me genuinely want to know what kind of bird this is, what it name, so that whichever direction I happen to see one, if I can see one, based on them camouflaging skills, me know say me just go the other direction.